Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make vegan japchae. First, let's prepare the foundation of our dish, the glass noodles. Take about 200 grams of dried sweet potato starch noodles and place them into a large bowl. Cover them completely with warm water and let them soak for 30 minutes. This will make them perfectly pliable for cooking. Drain them well after soaking. Now, let's bring some vibrant colors and textures to our japchae. Thinly slice 1 medium onion, 1 carrot, 1 red bell pepper, and about 200 grams of fresh spinach. Heat 1 tablespoon of sesame oil in a large pan over medium-high heat. Sauté each vegetable separately for about 2 to 3 minutes, just until they are tender crisp, then set them aside. This method ensures each component cooks perfectly. The sauce is crucial for defining our japchae's distinct taste. In a small bowl, combine 4 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of pure sesame oil, and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Next, finely mince 2 cloves of garlic and add them to the mixture, along with 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Whisk these ingredients together until the sugar fully dissolves, creating a balanced and aromatic base. It is time to bring all these wonderful elements together for our final dish. Heat 2 tablespoons of neutral oil in a large wok over medium-high heat. Add your rehydrated and drained noodles, stir-frying them for about 2 minutes. Pour in the entire sauce mixture and continue cooking for another 2 to 3 minutes, allowing the noodles to absorb all that delicious flavor. Finally, gently fold in all the sautéed vegetables and sprinkle with toasted sesame seeds for an irresistible finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.